If you're on a farm and have a workshop, machinery shed or dairy, it might have been a while since you thought about fire safety. With the prediction of a very hot summer ahead, we reckon it's a good time for you to be thinking about fire safety now before it's too late. I grew up in a country farming community with my father as a local fire captain, so I understand this subject well. As a young fellow working on the farm, I've witnessed firsthand a small fire getting out of hand because we didn't have a fire extinguisher immediately available. Because a workshop or machinery shed can contain lots of different types of fuels, we recommend at least one or more dry powder fire extinguishers with a minimum capacity of 4.5 kilos. These fire extinguishers are red in colour with a horizontal white band and a wall mounting bracket. They are an excellent universal choice to help control or stop a small fire on your property. To learn more, check out the range of fire extinguishers on the Firewise website.